The topic of this video is the Upwork cover letter for graphic designers. So let's get going. I have opened my Upwork profile. A platform for freelancing called Upwork links companies with independent contractors from around the globe. It is a fantastic method for locating employment, but using it effectively is crucial. You can search for jobs using the search bar on the right side of your screen. Right here, graphic designers. You will find a lot of jobs here. You will see the option to filter by. As a result, you have options for filtering out your job. You can choose the category level. This will help you add your experience level to the three main levels: entry, intermediate, or expert. As I am at the intermediate level. You can also select your job type and hourly rate. Here you will get the option to fix your price. I will fix my rate at $100 to $500. You will see more filters by scrolling down. Number of proposals of your choice. Client information, client history, client location, and other different options, etc. You can also remove these filters simply by pressing the cross in front of the specified filter. Here is another option for an advanced search. By clicking on it, a pop-up will appear with different options, like all of these words, any of these words, the exact phrase, etc. Now let's open any one of the jobs. Let's have a look at this one. Here is the job description that the client requires from you. You must have carefully gone through the whole job description. If this job meets your specified requirements, simply click on Apply Now. You have to submit a proposal by filtering out your job requirements. First, propose a specialized profile. You can review one more time the job description, job type, skills, and expertise that are required for this job. Set your hourly rate, freelancer service fee, and the payment that you will receive after job completion. If you are hired for the long term, you can schedule a rate increase after 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. I will go with 3 months. Then specify your increased rate. And now the main thing is the cover letter in the additional details. Write a proposal in accordance with the job requirements if you are proficient in English and have strong writing abilities that will help you impress clients. Otherwise, for the cover letter, I will suggest to you the best AI tool, which is Bard AI. I am already logged in. If not, sign in with a Google account first. Here, it is crucial to remember that you must prompt Bard correctly and precisely. Copy that description and paste it to give this tool a pop-up and a specific prompt. Then hit Enter. The comprehensive cover letter is now available here, though it will take some time. However, this is too long. Write a succinct and impactful cover letter if you want to land a job on Upwork. Now what you have to do is write a prompt again, to make it short. It seems ideal to me. Just copy this content. Let us revisit Upwork and paste it here. You can make some changes if you want to. Use Grammarly for this purpose. It is the best tool for grammar correction. You can also attach any portfolio or document here. And this is done. Click over Send for 4 connections. This is how you can write an Upwork cover letter as a graphic designer. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.